Getting out the house as a family of five with a newborn baby. My husband and I both had dental appointments today, so here's how we split up the task. He did the feeding and the diaper change. I got her washed up and got her in her robe and set her aside. You know, you got to get the babies dressed last because they will mess up those clothes. I did my makeup and got dressed. I did a little dancey dance because it's only been 2.5 weeks of working out and I could fit in my pants again. Okay. Now, I did not want to speed this part up because I want, in case I can help a new mom, this is how you pack a diaper bag. I did my wearable breast pumps, an outfit with socks. I have a cooler bag with a mason jar for my breast milk and an already prepared bottle. I got her some moisturizer, a burp cloth, and then my personal stuff like my wallet and a little smell good. I have nursing pads as well as some pads and plenty of diapers and wipes. Okay. This is the viral bag that you saw on TikTok. I got mine off of Amazon. Someone on my register or purchased it from my registry, and I appreciate that. It even lets out into a changing station and it has so many different features. Okay. So just check that out. It has a luxury look because 9 times out of 10, my husband is going to be the one carrying it. Okay. Look at my baby in her outfit. We got her dressed and she was just so happy. She looks so pretty, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, it's like she knows I'm that girl and is. So I packed the diaper bag. I got her in her car seat while my husband was actually pulling the car around. Now she was fussing it up and I was taking plenty of pictures. And look at my girl talking about, hey, photo shoot over. He pulled around the car. He put the car seat in. He opens my door. And y'all, this is nothing new. I'm not doing this for video. This is him. And I love it. He already had our tea ready and we were in the car lit. Look, I was excited that we were on time. Hey, turn up. Headed to the dentist's office. Now, because we both had appointments and they were an hour apart, we just split up. Okay, so I went first. And listen, the dental assistant that does my teeth, listen, this whole office is a vibe. But my girl, Andrea, we be in there just talking and talking and talking like best friends. That's my girl. I love her down. When it was Marcus' turn, I got in the car in the back seat to sit with Melody and I was just messing with the kids. Y'all, Mason is such a family man. I love it. All he was talking about was movie night tonight. He loves our movie nights. Okay. We went and we got us a snack. I had to make a stop at Target. Y'all, why did this man hand me his debit card and say he gonna sit in the car? Says no man ever. We had another stop at the library. The kids had to return
Hey, Daddy,
some
can I get your number?
library books, and I was trying to flirt with him through the window. Now he's telling me about cryptocurrency, y'all. He has been heavy in his crypto. He was telling me how he got a 400% return on one of his investments. So I was definitely listening. And when we got home, I was just kissing all over my baby because I love her outfit. She is so pretty. And y'all, look at the smile I was able to catch.